Welcome back everyone to Craig Machine. This is your first time joining me on this platform. Please go hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, like the video, share the video. So send up in young, please go subscribe to Training Zimbabwe. That's our other channel. Link is going to be in the description box or in the comments down below. So please take a time, take 2 minutes to go check that out and subscribe. Watch my videos at Google and then come back or tell us over there kuti mukuzoona zvikuitika. So ndadzoka futi nenyaya dzokupisa mumastreet. Sorry nhasi ndanga ndisiri active pane zvakachiitika, but ndadzoka nenyaya ndasangana nayo pandadzoka ipapapa. So hanzi Jamaster, Anita, Popta, Soldier Love vakaperforma nezuro kuCape Town, and hanzi panewa mwana wavo asina kuperforma. Okay, zvikuitika hanzi Soldier Love anzi akawanza madrugs before show and then abva aswera achingomhanya around the place asinga like adhakwa. So hanzi zvakazoitika akazoti atora video, pane musikana aitora video, ndabva atora video raSoldier Love wacho achitaura kuti regai vanobhutsura vanhu vaimbe achitaura Jamaster. So I'm going to leave you with the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Uzokubata futhi parimwe video rinenge richitevera. Musakangana subscribe, but don't forget to go Trending Zimbabwe and go check that channel out. Go subscribe, like and comment over there. Uzokubata futhi pavideo notera. Leave down my comments and tell us what you think about nyaya iyi. Ndoda kutoziva kuti mukuona sei Sauro, what should Sauro do? Tell us my comments uzokubata.
RT live and kicking akagadzira.
I want to see Aruki and the Jamaster.
Ayo guys,
Live and sticking.
Jama, alright. Soldier Love, but he's live and sticking. Vargu sticker, varipano live and kicking is Jamaster, but kuno ku Cape Town akunazo kika na istakana kiro tonze siri.
Zimba to Vataimba. Zimba baba.
Alright.